It's Saturday, February 28th, and we're in Richmond, Virginia at the Old Dominion Open Model Show and Contest that has been hosted by IPMS for over 20 years. This show's so big, I'm going to break it down into several videos. Obviously, this is all the aircraft. If you want to see the armor, it's on a separate video. If you want to see the automotive, it's on a separate video. And if you want to see the ships, Gundams, figures, things like that, I'm going to call that the miscellaneous video, and that's going to be on a separate video also. In the meantime, let's check out all the great looking aircraft on the tables here at the Old Dominion Model Show.
This one is that's multi-engine. Yeah, this is single engine jet. This is really different. I mean, you get one or two more down here.
Yeah, so that, I mean, I guess that's what I'm trying.
You take these three, put them down here and do this.
But just do enough.
Like this, so we got multiple reflectances here, so when the light shines on it looks more.
Yeah.
Move the tank total.
Okay.
So that's probably a good example to look at too, is to see how he broke it down.
Right.
And that thing, of course, sucking all kinds of heating effects and corrosive effects and speed and just probably through the atmosphere. So that's a nice job. When you look at it, it's like really great.
What do you think? Critiques? Does it look good? W25?
That's yours?
Yeah.
Looks real good, man.
Yeah, I built it for somebody. I'm not crazy enough to build them 37. I think they're just too huge.
Yeah.
It's not big enough.
Where do you keep it?
I'm not. It's going home with somebody.
Is it? Is it going home with me?
No, it's going
Oh. I'm just teasing
These are
you.
both the float plane and they're both going.
Yeah, it looks real good.
He honestly doesn't have any. He has a huge model museum, and he doesn't have room for this because I did him an A20 too.
Yeah.
About 5-8 months ago, and they're both huge. They're just too big.
Looks real good.
Enormous they are if you try and handle them when you're working with them. Where they key on like this and you pull them backwards, so you can actually remove the wings. I glued the wings on, but you can remove them if you want. They fit tight enough that you're not going to have a gap.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool idea for people that want to transport them.
Yeah.
Although I don't know how you get it apart now without breaking.
Right. Exactly. Now it looks really nice. I like it.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's a wing that's good. That was good.
Yeah. Did you do that one too? Dang. I like your style.
Yeah, those are both jet blue.
What'd you use for the ground or the runway or whatever you would call
I
that?
painted out individual windshields.
Okay.
Well, I'm a model railroad guy too, so I do a lot of scratch building structures.
Okay.
I use the same principles. Just made like a wooden deck and a dock. So I wanted to put it on the stand.
Yep. Very nice. What else you got here?
That's it. I got
Okay.
I got that Marine Corps. I put that about a year ago, but didn't use it. So I had it then I had to briefly look off the table because it could be end up with magnetic. They told me it was magnetic and need this. I know it's not registering because I just put it in the I did a dark green yeah, those are like a
There's a bunch of interesting bulges that are not on the
that crazy guy here.
some that are on the ETC that are not on the D.
I mean, other than looking the same, that's a completely different airplane than the original.
It's different from the C as the C150.
Is it APY-8?
Yep.
Yeah, he's got a whole house of them, but it's like, yeah, this one was
Fascinating airplane.
Yeah. Yeah, it seems like it.
Nice to meet you too. Did you reach that?
I have a feeling the track that was
Got here at 7:30.
Well, having gone through it myself, I definitely appreciate how well yours turned out. Yeah, I really like what you did with the HF airlines too.
So I used easy rigging. I built ship model. And I used plastic stuff together.
Yeah, I could never get any good close-up pictures of how it actually mounted to the airplane. I guess you got two like the one you got up there.
It depends on this is a really configuration.
So I actually built up the logo, and then it was a ratio like that. If I had a heavy layer here, I could come this way from my lines. Matters. That's how I shoot it. But since, I'm not Kowski. So few of us are. So few of us are. Rex. Oh, that makes sense. So I got a boat.
Yes.
Is that yours too?
No. Very nice though.
Good flight. How about you?
Stepped away for a while.
Still doing the revenue for everything?
Yeah,
This, no, it's like it. Same squad. It's different play. I don't know. These are, but he's,
that or trying to land or something. Miles. 48 skill figures.
I thought it was Dirks at first, because didn't Dirks do one with that?
So Will Russell used to be, it's funny, I met him last year, when I was a pup airman. He was a lieutenant commander of his E2. Back to the mold. Back on. Yeah, like, hey, you know, I've seen him here. I think he was a lieutenant. Retired as a captain.
Because I was.
You missed it last year at 70.
got a big raffle here. Very cool. And I just won a raffle kit. I just got that from Mini Art. Very cool. I won that in a raffle. I get asked all the time, how do I know about the shows coming up? If you can make it to a show, look for the table that has all the flyers on it. Everyone drops their flyers off. This one's called the info table. But there's a bunch of flyers for shows coming up. It's a great show, guys. I am super excited I have come to this show. Very big venue, very well lit. Huge swap meet, huge model contest. Loving it.